Hey there, Boots Owen here, Indesit IWDC washer dryer 6105. A load of bricks. I've just done a load of damage to a 6125. It was very strong. I'm not sure this one's got it in it. It's not as good a machine. You never know. Let's fire it up. Protect your ears. Just in case you're interested, it's a sunny day. This smash is brought to you completely with solar power. Motor's hot wired, ready to go. Epic smash. That's it for you, Indesit. You're going to the scrapyard with your old buddy over there. Thanks for watching. See you later.